Oh my god, I literally cannot wait to see this. What is this? What? Error? What the? What the heck? What the? Guys, where's everything going? No! Is this a live event? Guys, it's a live event! Oh my god! Yo! What the frick? You can swim! Oh my god! Bro! You can finally swim! Bro, this is the best update ever! Oh my god! Ow! Guys, we have to get back to the map. Guys, I'm pretty sure this is a live event. I'm pretty sure they said this was a live event. Bro, Neuter the monkey was actually right. Bro, Neuter was actually right. We'd have a live event. Bro, oh my god. We're on the other side of the dam. Dude, wait, guys, we have to get out. We have to get out. Where do you get hook shots? But oh my god. Bro, we can be cave divers. Goated. Guys, we have to find ways to get out. We have to escape. Oh, we're almost there. Hold on, we're almost there. Come on. Oh, wait, there's a hole right here. We can get through. Oh my god. What the? No, they flooded the map. No. What the frick? Bro, we're Jesus. We're Jesus right now. Bro, this is the best update ever. Why is this so fun? Guys, we can become Jesus. You can walk on water. There's nothing over there. Hold on, come here. No way they actually did the thing that they said they'd do to the hook shot, like make it grapple on certain things. No. If they did that, I'm gonna cry. Bro, wait, but how do we get to the new map? Is this just like a live event? No way. If this is just the new map, I hate this. What do you mean? Dang, dude. This is the newest update, dude. This is the newest update. They finally added freaking look, bro. They finally added water you can swim in, bro. Oh my god, bro. This is actually the best update ever. They added swimming, bro. I cannot believe they finally added swimming after years. Oh, bro, this is something everyone has wanted. Ugh. Wait, there's a hole right here. Guys, come over here. I'll do that. No, it's not. We'll do this later. Hold on, we'll do that later. Guys, come here. Yo! Yo! This is sick! This is the best update ever! bold gold old pack? Hold on, you can get the old. Well, that's not the old character. One big yacht. Golly, original gorilla hands? No, those aren't the original. Golden grenade. Oh my god! I know. That's what I'm saying. Yo, guys, look at the pack. Yo. Oh my god! They added Bioshock! Bro, they outdid themselves! Yes, all my stuff stayed! Oh my god! Guys, we need a key! We need a key to get in here, guys! Teleport gun! There's a teleport gun! You can get a freaking Glock! Oh my god, this video already has enough screaming. Hold on, Black! Follow me, bro. We have to check out every map together, bro. So we have, that's the mines. Yeah, let's get a light, and then I'm only gonna grab a light. I need a hook shot. Can someone please give me a hook shot? Alright, thank you. Guys, there's a new sound. Yes, and you can finally grapple on. Bro, they actually did go all out. Everyone go into mine, see what it looks like. Okay, they didn't change mines one bit. Bro, they went so hard on this update. Oh my god. Yo, it's Forest! Guys, maybe we could get to the OG map through the forest. Wait, I'm coming. I want to see what's in the sewer hole. Wait for me. I know. It should be the manhole. Everyone go into the manhole. Yo! It's sewers. Ow. You can't get out. You have to die. You can't grapple on metal. Guys, we're cooked. You can't grapple on metal. Bro, can you please buy me a hook shot and a light? I'm broke, bro. Thank you, bro. Can you also buy me a light? You can't grapple on metal. Bro. Yo! Guys, who here has the new teleport gun? Wait, guys, maybe we could get back to the OG map from here. Oh my god! Bro, we can't grapple on metal anymore. That sucks. This is the best update ever! Oh my god, this is the best update ever. We're in our new home, boys! Bro, this is the best update ever. Best update ever. I'm trying to make it out now. I'm trying to make it out. I can't make it out. Move. Yes, I made it out. I made it out of the manhole. What's up? Oh, it's a mask. Oh my god. How do you get in here? Hold on, who here has a haunted mansion key? Yo, goated new fan art. Fan art. Wait, everyone check out Factory. Check out Factory. Oh, never mind. There's a barrier limit. Oh my god. It's up here. It's up in the normal area. Oh, it does. Really? Hold on. Hold on, Black. Come to me. Come to me, Black. 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 Follow me, bro. There's something new. Come here. Come here. Come to me. Alright. Behind here. Yo. They added. Okay, they re-added it back. Thank God. Wait. Yeah, hold on. Black. Hold on. Black and chameleon. Yeah. Yo. Bro, but hold on. Hold up. Do you know how to change channels on your watch? I know. Go to channel 3. Alright, are you on channel 3? Just press your trigger. Are you on channel 3? Alright, can you hear me through this? Alright, meet me in swamp. Black, meet me in swamp. Yo, this is so cool. Bro, they added swimming, dude. That's so weird. Bro, swimming is so fun, but it's so weird because we've never had it. Yo, it's a crashed ship. It's a crashed ship. Wait, everything. Whenever we push, we have particles. You can't grapple the metal. That's it. You just can't grapple the metal. Hold on, guys. Come here. Guys, come to here. Guys, come here. Chameleon. Hold on, before we go in there, Chameleon, do you know how to change your channel on your watch? Alright, press trigger and go to channel 3. Just press it. Go to channel 3. Okay, can you guys hear me through on this? Yeah, I'm on channel 3. Pookie Guyerica. Did you? Hold on, let me go far away and see and tell me if you guys can hear it through the watch. Okay, good. Our watches work. Guys, follow me. It looks like it. It basically is, mainly because literally you log on to the old map. Hold on, guys. Go over the rock and try getting into the ship. No! I keep on falling. It's really hard to get in there. What if there's like a... What if there's like a secret cosmetic in it? We're trying to get into the crash ship, like the top half. I know, I'm trying to go into here. How? It's so hard. You can't swim on this water. You literally stand on it. See? Let's check what's at the end of the mountain. Bro, this is the best update ever. Oh no! It's only on these bears. Wait! Up here! Up here! How are you so far up? Yo? What is this? We're going up so high! Are we like the first people in Animal Company to do this? Like to go this high up? Yeah, it's so weird. I don't like it. Wait, you have to keep on jumping past. You have to find like openings in the barrier. Can you go past? Right here, over here. You could go up farther. Only a little. Yo! We found the end of the map! We found the end of the map! Alright. Ah, I'm falling! Oh, it ends right here. Let's drop down here, under. Whee! We found a secret map! Everyone, we found a secret map! Right here, look, it's a pipe! Look, right here! Yeah, we found a drain, but we have to figure out how to get in it. We're under the water. We're under the water. Okay, now we are. Bro, the water keeps on going on and off, but we saw like a drain pipe leading into a weird map. I think we have to get into the boat to do it. Oh, this is so weird. Yo, guys, we can become cave divers. Black, down here. Cave dive. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, we know. We have flashlights. We have flashlights. What the? Yo! We found it! Wait, hold on. Grapple on here. There's something right here. Okay, nothing's in there. Keep on falling. Guys, wait, this might be where the new monster is. Do you guys know? Like the clown people were thinking that was down here? Cause in the picture, hold up, in the picture of the game, there was a new monster right on it, on the picture. We just found a random map. What the frick? Yo, we found the server room area. Vent access. Hold on, don't go in the vent access yet. Don't go in the vent access yet. Let's explore in here. Bro, guys, look at how big this light is over here. Everyone come here. Don't go in there yet. Oh my god, look. Giant. Oh, what if? Yo. Explore around here on the metal. We might be like the first people to do this, guys. Bro, what kind of thing is that? What do you mean we were flushed down the toilet? What is that? Guys, we found something new over here. Look, it's like a entire half of a ship. Wait, grass! We found life! Wait, why did it get so much darker over here? We found life over here. Oh, this is a weird sound. Guys, there's a crap sound over here. It sounds like stepping in crap over here. Ooh. Alright, let's go in. We're coming to the vent. We're coming to the vent hole. Oh my god, swimming is actually so fun. We're here. We're at the vent access. Here. Crawl space? Guys, I have a gun. There's a laser. Be careful. Laser. There's an explosive laser. Guys, follow me. Hold on, Black. Follow me. Follow us. Alright. Be careful. I have my gun. Bro, they literally added crawl space. There's a monster! Ah! Oh, what the frick is that? Ah! What the frick was that? Bro, it looked like a skinwalker. Go back. Go back. I just saw an effing skinwalker. Hold up. Keep on going. Keep on going. Ah! Oh my god! Oh. 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 Hey, don't hit me. Wait, it's scared. It's scared. It's scared. It looks like it might be scared of the light. What is this stuff? It's scared. It's scared. Ow. Ow. Help. You killed me. Revive me. Wait, revive me, Red. Put me in my body. Ow. The monster's mad. I have to respawn. Guys, don't go in there. Do not go in that pipe. There's literally a new monster. Oh. Ah. This is the best update ever. Oh. Oh my god. I'm terrified now. Alright, well, if you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. I gotta go. Oh my god, I'm creeped out. La 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 la.